kiss goodnight. How I'll hate going out in the storm. But if
I'm so happy we saw.
Let's go.
Hi, Johnny boy. Oh, is this it? Oh my God, my favorite color.
no.
It's orange.
You want me to?
Orange is my favorite color.
Oh my goodness, an orange trolley. Oh, you can sit next to the conductor. Talking to the little ear off.
I can sit right here. And that's where the person drives.
Yeah, maybe he'll show you how he
You
drives.
want to sit like that?
I'm not going to be that close.
You probably are anxious to see
What's the cherry inside there, Meme?
Huh?
What's the cherry inside there?
Well, I'm gonna get a cookie and some.
Very nice.
Here, I'll take one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Hi, Tyler. Cheese. Santa. Good photo.
Good job.
I'm back to cash it all the time. Never mind, I don't think it will hurt.
What does the other one do?
Nothing, it just flickers the light. I think it's supposed to do the other train, but it's
Let me get a picture of you. See. This is the only one that survived out of all those trains. Out of subways.
Yeah, this train was fine.
Yeah. Yeah, because now it says, I read out there, it says that it was the Hudson line.
Oh, okay,
So it might have arrived
yeah.
last.
That
one's better. The sun's on your face there. And then this one is, I think that's too dark. The sun's going down. Yeah, you got time.